So I just stumbled upon this new feature called Monorepo Tasks in mise, and it sounds like a total game changer for managing multiple projects.
Wait, really? What makes it so special? I mean, monorepos are tricky enough as they are.
Exactly, it allows you to manage tasks across projects all in one place. It's like giving your projects a communal toolbox.
Oh, I see. So instead of juggling different setups, everything gets unified. That's pretty slick.
Right, they have this unified task namespace feature. Tasks are prefixed with their location so you know exactly where to find them.
That sounds super handy. Can you give an example of how it looks?
Sure, like you could have something like mise// project/ front end build. It's all about clarity.
Nice. I can see how that helps avoid confusion. What other features are there?
They've got something called Smart Tool and Environment Inheritance, which is a mouthful. It lets you define common tools at the root and override them as needed.
That's interesting. So you can have a shared config but still customize for specific projects.
Exactly, it's like setting a family recipe but allowing each sibling to tweak it to their taste.
I love that analogy. But does that lead to potential conflicts, though?
Good point, you'd want to ensure that overrides are clear to avoid confusion. That's always a risk in shared environments.
Totally. What else caught your eye about this feature?
They've got powerful wildcard patterns. You can run tasks across multiple projects easily.
Wildcard patterns, like the ability to run all tests in every project at once.
Exactly, you can just type mise test and boom, all tests triggered.
Whoa, that could really streamline CI/CD processes. But is there a downside?
Well, the complexity of running everything at once might lead to long execution times. You have to be careful.
That's fair. And what's this about automatic trust propagation?
You trust the monorepo root once and all descendant configs are trusted automatically. Super convenient.
Wow, that's a neat feature. But is that safe? Like, what if there's something malicious?
Great question. You'd want to be cautious about what goes into that root to avoid vulnerabilities.
For sure. So, how does this compare with other tools out there?
Well, Missy's Monorepo Tasks aims to balance simplicity with power, which is a sweet spot.
That's interesting. How does it stack up against tools like Bazel and NX?
Basil is super powerful but comes with a steep learning curve. Missy is more approachable, especially for mixed languages.
And that's crucial. A lot of teams juggle multiple languages these days.
Exactly, plus Missy allows for unified tool management, not just tasks.
Nice, but community adoption must be a concern. What's the feedback been like so far?
It's still experimental, so they're actively seeking feedback. They want to refine the API.
That makes sense. Getting real-world input can really shape a feature.
Right, and they encourage users to share what works and what doesn't.
So if someone's considering this, what would be the ideal use case?
Definitely for polyglot monorepos. If you want simplicity and unified management, this fits well.
On the flip side, if you're all about heavy JavaScript features, sticking with NX might be better.
Exactly, it's all about finding the right tool for your specific needs.
I'm curious, do you think teams will adopt this quickly?
I think it depends on how it performs in real scenarios. Adoption often hinges on user experience.
That's true. If it simplifies workflows, I bet more will jump on board.
And it's such a crucial topic, managing monorepos can be a nightmare without the right tools.
Right? It can be overwhelming, but this could really lighten the load.
Totally, it's like finally getting that one tool you didn't know you needed until you tried it.
You know, that's a perfect way to describe it. I'm intrigued to see how it evolves.
Same here, I think it could set a new standard for task management in monorepos.
Here's hoping. But I wonder, will it integrate well with existing workflows?
That'll be key, users might be reluctant if it disrupts their current setup.
Definitely. It'll be interesting to keep an eye on community feedback.
For sure, the potential is there, it just needs to be executed well.
Exactly. So, what's the main takeaway from this feature?
I think it's about simplifying the complexity of monorepos while maintaining power.
Well said. And that balance could really change how teams approach project management.